Got a little bit of lavender on the pillowcases and this sexy ass kimono. Do I ever cross your mind? Anytime. I miss you. Do you ever wake and bake just thinking about me? That kiss canoe. We can catch up, sip tea, read books, smoke CBD. We can just explore our bodies. We can go explore 5D. Or I can just explore that D. Let's go D. I know you got some new things to show me. I'm ready. We homies, best friends to the end. Lovers with intentions to win. So if you thinking about me the way I'm thinking about you, baby, let's just see how this thing goes. We can get creative, don't have to complicate it. Let's just flow.
Pink dog cooking.
Let's flow. Kiss me here, kiss me there, grab my hair, smack my ass, bite my ear, let's try stairs. Use your lips, I use my lips, mesmerize you with my hips, then I let you take a sip from my lake, take a dip. So if you thinking about me the way I'm thinking about you, baby, let's just see how this thing goes. We can get creative, don't have to complicate it, let's just flow. And if you like to meet me, you know where to find me. Baby, I'm just really trying to grow. Leave your shoes at the door, I'll take your coat. It's good to see you, welcome back to the temple. I love our temple, keep it simple. Take our time, you read my mind, I got one roll. Slow wine to the flow. So happy you decided to come through. The vibe is so lit. Oh, frequency on 1,000. Got the beeswax candles going with the CBD incense. Oh. Ah.
Dripping, sipping, sliding through dimensions, watch me vibe. I just puffed on hydroponics and I slid into the fight. It's just crazy cause my highs be entry into the skies, where I soak up hella knowledge and more wisdom from my guides. See my mama in my eyes, my granny in my presence. That's my daddy when I walk, great granny when I talk. Feel my auntie in my spirit every time I got a boss. Only route I know. When I doubt, I go very deep inside my soul, very deep inside my soul. It's some places I don't go, but I know I gotta visit for my growth, for my growth, for my motherfucking bros. And I keep on booking shows, then I feed my sisters bros. When I give back, it's tenfold, like some incense, then I go deep into the centerfolds of my mind. Holy smokes, never choke, it's organic. And I know that things are shifting on the planet. Please don't panic, go within for understanding. I used to feel abandoned till I realized who I was. Then forgave my mom and daddy for their absence cause the drug. Thanks to granny up above, I could never give enough. She gave me the gift of love, taught me how to heal myself, it's in my blood. Give thanks. I'm like water, I'm medicinal, I'm healing as I flow. Once I am inside of you, side effect is that you glow. Can we flourish, let me nourish all your dreams and all your goals. I'm like, oh, hey. should be on the front page of a magazine. But for now I'm in the lab with the recipes, enhancing creativity with THC and terpenes. Enchanted premonitions help me see my mission perfectly when I need them. I see my grandmothers in the mirror, all the shit they survived, just so I could live this life and have this freedom. So I live it to the fullest and exist in full potential. I weave my soul inside these instrumentals. Let me take you higher with the Damiana. Let me help you find your purpose through the pearl. I can introduce you to the flow kinda. Dear earth, when I need the healing herb, I got the vibe, the medicine. My aura glow, it's heaven sent. I'm changing lives, I got the evidence. I want more to blow, I'm calling in abundance. No resistance. I shower all my kings with the best shit, and all the queens around me my reflections. I dress royal, cause I'm royalty. I put the kettle on, I'm brewing up some reishi tea. Still got a squad of gods and they give me all they loyalty. I don't even ask, should see the way they worship me. Universe is spoiling me, take an ounce of purple please. Hit me like it's Hercules. Got a couple honest down at Hampton University. Shout out Tony Brown, that's my mentor. He helped me see more clear what I'm in it for. Taught me there's no dream that I can't afford. I say fuck they record deals and fuck they awards. We need to be eating on our own accord, creating wealth for our future generation. It's our time, but the ancestors deserve a celebration. So we do it through creation, do it through compassion. Focus on your elevation, release all attachments. Anything you need, you can have it. You are literally made of magic. I just wanna see you when you're greatest. If I make it, then he make it, then she make it, then you make it. Don't forget we in the motherfucking matrix. See these herbs I got, they really are that potent. They strong. Thank you, Mother Earth, for the potion. I love you. Thank you, Mother Earth, for my tribe. I got elixirs when you wanna feel the vibe. I got the elderberry, you know what I'm saying? I got the ginger. It's Lizzy Jeff once again. Got the CBD tinctures. What you need, just hit me. I'm the medicine woman. I G'd up. I didn't see no speed bump. I glowed up. Dropped my top, I'm on the beach in Ibiza. Rolled a tree up. Spark the tree up. You know me, I'm kicking it with my feet up. I glowed up. People shouldn't die for their freedom, but they do. So all I wanna do is spit my truths to the youth. Universe, sacred codes in this verse. Magic terrain on earth, you have had since birth. We came from the dirt, we return to earth. We hit a different dimension, same agenda, new intentions. I didn't hit a spurt, my powers really work. And I know I'm always guided if I'm ever feeling hurt. Getting better every day, my spirit comes with perks. But we divinity, no such thing as an enemy. Focus on your energy, then you maintain your inner peace. Community is dear to me. When it comes to chasing dreams, you will not see fear in me. Keep my loved ones near to me, reminding myself frequently that they are here as mirrors for me. I'm seeing clear every day. It feels so great to be paid. Came a long way from struggling and being afraid. Everything I had, the foundation had been laid. So I thank the ancestors for the prices they paid, for the life that they gave, just so I could tell their stories and arise from their pain. Just so I could live my dreams and be able to write this way, so I could reap rewards of sacrifices that been made. I'm on a conquest of greatness. What you doing? I'm just giving you context. Life is not a contest. Love it or hate it. We motherfucking made it. I'm so high you might just need a helicopter. I don't want the guy unless he in line of chakras. I don't want that dude if he can't lift me up. He gotta know himself and where he came from. I'm queen of the gram. Give me the gram, give me the eighth, give me the half, give me the ounce of that haze. I read up, you know me, I'm kicking it with my feet up.